Mrs. Haggerty, I'll actually be the one doing your blood draw today.
But where's Morgan? He named all my veins.
Do you know what draw blood means? So if someone were to tell you, I would like to draw your blood, do you think that they want to color in your blood? It's not. Come with me because that's what we're going to learn today. Draw blood has a few different meanings depending on the situation. So in the medical context, when someone would like to draw your blood, it means someone would like to collect your blood for diagnostic purposes, testing purposes. Draw blood can also mean to cause someone to bleed. For example, if someone punched someone in the nose and that nose started to bleed, it means that that person drew blood from the other person. And lastly, draw blood can be used as a form of aggressiveness. Let's see a few examples on each of these meanings.
Who wants to hold him down?
What?
While I draw blood.
Me, I'll do it.
Hold tight. No jerking.
Hi, Mrs. Johnson. I'm the pathology collector, and I'm here to draw some blood so that we can test it and try and figure out the cause of your symptoms.
Give me your arm, Roy. I have to draw some blood.
Change of plans. We need to draw some blood.
Did you see? He punched him in the nose and he drew blood. The political debate became quite heated, and each candidate aimed to draw blood with their accusations and attacks on their opponent's character. I hope you liked today's lesson, and don't forget to check out our site to see how else we can support your medical English.